Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel HT Subject Knowledge. Today we are going to discuss about Central Industrial Security Forces, that is CISF Raising Day. Central Industrial Security Force is observed on 10th March every year. On this day, 10th March in 1969, the CISF was set up under an act of the Parliament of India to provide integrated security cover to public sector undertakings with a strength of 2,800. Its strength was increased from 2,800 to 148,371 personnel. Further, the strength was increased in April 2017 to 180,000 personnel. CISF is a unique organization in the paramilitary forces of India which works for seaways, airways, and some of the major and critical installations in India. The CISF provides security cover to 300 industrial units, government infrastructure projects, and facilities and establishments located all over India. However, the role of CISF has undergone diversification since its inspection, and now it also protects airports, seaports, metro rail networks, government buildings, heritage monuments including the Taj Mahal and Red Fort, opium and alkaloids extractions, nuclear power plants, and space installations. It also specializes in VIP security as well as disaster management. Over the last 50 years, the force has been many ups and downs, given the unique mandate with which the force came into existence, that is, to give protection and security to the employees and the poverty of the public sector undertakings, in keeping with changing demands of the dynamic nature of security. The force has evolved, reoriented, and updated the nature of professional services rendered and metamorphosized from being an industrial security force into a multi talented, multitasking, and multifaceted force ready to face never challenges in the future. It shall be the duty of every member of the force to promptly obey and execute all orders lawfully issued to him by his superior authority, to protect and safeguard the industrial undertaking owned by central government together with such other installations as are specified by that government to be vital for the carrying on of work in those undertakings situate within the local limits of his jurisdiction, provided that before any installation not owned or controlled by the central government is so specified, the central government shall obtain the consent of the government of the state in which such installation is situated, to protect and safeguard any joint venture, private industrial undertaking, and such other industrial undertakings and installations for the protection and security of which he is deputed under Section 4, and to protect and safeguard the employees of the industrial undertaking and installations referred to in Clause B and C, to do any other act conducive to the better protection and security of the industrial undertakings and in the installation referred to in Clause B and C, and the employees referred to in Clause D, to provide technical consultancy services relating to the security of any private sector industrial establishment, to protect and safeguard the organizations owned or funded by the government and the employees of such organizations as may be entrusted to him by the central government. Any other duty within and outside India which may be entrusted to him by the central government from time to time. How the Raising Day is celebrated. The day is celebrated with the CISF parade. Service medals are distributed on this day for meritorious service. Prime Minister of India lay wreath at the Martyrs Memorial, and CISF personnel are later addressed on this day. That is, citizens of the country are made aware of CISF duties and to cooperate with CISF personnel in maintaining peace and security in the country. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe and comment below for more videos. Thank you.